What's up YouTube, this is Mr. Fresh back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Samsung Dex with this cable that I got. It's called, this cable is called raw power or raw power. I will go ahead and, if you guys can see this, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I think this was probably around like 10 bucks outside, 10 bucks or 15 bucks. So I wanted to check it out because I wanted to see, you know, before I buy the dock, I wanted to see how this will work out with this cable. So let's take a look at it. You know, I'm actually in the process of setting this up. So basically what you can do is you can use your phone as a mouse. So I'm using my Note 9 as a mouse, just so that you guys know. So if you guys can see whatever is happening on the, if you guys can see the cursor moving, that means I'm pretty much just doing that with my my tablet, my phone. So let's get into it here. There it is. Oh, okay, perfect. So let's click next. You can use Samsung that even without a keyboard and mouse. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click next. We'll just go through this setting real quick. Do more with S Pen. So you could actually use your S Pen to write or draw in your favorite apps. So you can also use it like a mouse to select things or drag them around the screen. Okay, perfect. So we'll go next. Multitasking is easier. Check your notification at a glance and switch between apps with a single click on a taskbar. Okay, so let's go ahead and agree to this term and condition, and let's start. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Make sure that all your corners of the screen fit your TV or monitor correctly to adjust the brightness, sharpness, and go to your display. Just click OK for right now. Okay, it says tap on the active button. Tap with 2 fingers. So if you tap on the center, that gives you that opens select object to open an app to active buttons, and more left click. So and then tap with 2 fingers shows more option menu. So that's a right click. So 1 tap is a left click, 2 tap is a right click. So this swipe with 2 fingers. So if you swipe to your right, that, you know, to scroll over in any direction, and then if you pinch out with 2 fingers, that's zoom in and zoom out. So that's a cool little touch. Touch and hold to select object on the screen. So if you do touch and hold on the center, that will give you. Okay. So I think we're back in the screen now. So let's go back and. Okay, I'm back in. So I had to kind of reset. I had to set the screen so it wasn't working correctly. But let's take a look. Let me go to the let's see. So I'm here at my just a Samsung page. Let me just go ahead and close some of this stuff. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. So let me close some of this stuff out, and let's go to the let's go here. So let's go to www. Then we'll just go click right here. Okay, so we are here on bgr.com. Let's just make sure this thing is on. Okay, so this is on desktop mode. So here you go. So now what you can do is you can, as you can see on my phone here, if I go pinch and zoom, then it'll go up and down, and then you use your 2 finger, it goes up and down. So you can see through go through the page, and then if you want to go back, you just go back, click on it, click on the go back, and then boom, you go back to your different page. On the bottom over here, these are your apps. So let's see, if we go to the apps here, let's see, I want to go, I mean, you could pretty much do anything here. So let me see, I want to go home and I want to go to my docs here. So I think these were just some, let me see what it is in here. Okay, this is just some of some of the homework that I think my wife did. So so if you can see here, you can pretty much, if you have I think what I'm thinking also is if you connect your keyboard, this will be perfect. I mean, you could do your, I mean, this actually cable, it's perfect. Because it worked perfect for me. So I mean, I recommend you guys trying it out, because as you can see, I mean, it's almost like, you have a full working desktop. I just opened up the web browser here. I was on my Google Docs, so that works perfect. Let's take a look on see if there's anything else that we can try. How about we try some game? Let's see if the game works, how the game looks. Let's see, we're gonna try this zombie game here. Okay, so it did say that the game did not support, that game didn't support. So let's go back and see if something else can support. Okay, cool. So full setting. Okay, cool. So like you could see, you could play like a game here. So like you could be playing game, and then let's see. I'll just say don't need it now, and then let's see if I can open. Let me see if I can open something else here with that. Looks like not. Oh yeah, actually I can open another game too. So let's see if we can. Okay, so you gotta actually press. So if you guys can see here on my phone, you have to press the line and then hold and then move. That's how you'll be able to move this. I just learned this, so let's go ahead and reject that one. So yeah, you could pretty much open. I have a 2 game open here. I think the other one looks like it kind of stuck in there. So let's go ahead and close that one out. And then let's see here what is going on. Okay, system volume. Okay, so I think the only thing I'm noticing right now, which I may need to look at this a little further, because I guess the volume is not coming through the to the TV. So I think I'll have to look into that one and find out what's going on with that as of right now. But then you could my phone got locked, so let me just go ahead and open it. There you go. We're back at it again. So that's that one. So yeah, it looks like you could do easily multitask. Let's see if there's a if you can play some music here. And then I think I should have down there. I'm not sure if there's any Dex specific app out there that you can use. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But let's see if I have some music. We could play. See if we can play some music and see what happens. We'll do no thanks. I think I should have something on my. Well, yeah, I don't know if I have something on my. Well, actually, you know what? Let me go to my. Let me go to my Google Drive. I think I did have something on my Google Drive, which. Let's see if we can open something. Yeah, I think I have something on my Google Drive. So let's see. I'm gonna try to play that one. So we're just waiting to see if. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed out that the audio is not coming from the TV. That would have been perfect. So yeah, so if you guys can see, this sound is coming from actually coming from the phone. If you guys can hear it, but yeah, pretty much you can play your music while you're on it, and I think the multitask is pretty good. So I'm actually extremely happy with this cable. Actually, this cable was, I think, only like $10 or $15. But when I put the link in the description below, you guys can check it out. And let me know if you guys want me to cover anything else. If you guys have any question, again, I just set this up as I was recording this video, so I'm still learning as I'm going. So but I just wanted to share this video with you guys, how to set up, and if you guys were interested in getting this cable. So just sharing my opinion here with you guys. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the